Of course, right when I go to film, my nose is itchy. I live in California, I have allergies, I have not put my Flonase in yet. So if I itch in the video, don't think weird things, just think, oh, she's got allergies. Okay. Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back, I'm so glad to see you for one of my favorite things, unboxing a Jomar Wholesale clothing box. I buy these boxes to resell on eBay, Poshmark, and I sell on Thredup, and I sell digital products on Etsy. All those links are in my description section below, and you can find my stores there too if you want to check things out. Let me tell you which box this is. I get so many of these boxes that sometimes I don't even know until I start what box we're doing. This box is under brands. I love this about Jomar right now. There's so many different ways to shop from them. You can shop by a theme like mature women's or men's or whatever, but they're also doing brands now, brand specific boxes. This one is Chico's, J. Jill, Eileen Fisher. Now I don't know if there's a lot of other reselling YouTubers who get on here and talk so much about selling these mature women brands, but I love them. I love having things in my store that I can sell between like 15 and 50 bucks, reliably consistent flipping items. They're just, I do well with them. They're not like usually my highest dollar items or anything, but they're consistent sellers, and so I love them. This box, let's
get into the nitty gritty.
Okay, this box is pre-owned clothing, and there's 25 items in the box, and the cost is usually $125, but I shop with a discount. Always use a discount code on Jomar. If when you're shopping, you put The Grateful Queen, all one word, in the discount section at checkout, you'll get a discount, and then I earn credit, and I can use the credit to buy the boxes, so I really, really appreciate anyone who uses my link. If you use it, let me know. Message me on Instagram at The Grateful Queen or YouTube and let me know how you did with your box. It's at a flat rate shipping of 15 bucks. I love that. Jomar's always doing sales. At the time of filming this, they're doing buy $1,000 worth of stuff, get 40% off. I mean, they're always doing sales, and use my discount link and find a way to get this stuff cheap. Let's get into it and then we'll talk more. Last time I got this box, I have it up on the channel, I didn't get any Eileen Fisher. I got Chico's and J. Jill. So I was a little like, oh, I would have loved an Eileen Fisher piece, but oh well, whatever. This is J. Jill size large, and of course, I'm not going to show you every single tag because it's going to be the same few brands, but that's one of the more modern tags with that font. Size large in J. Jill, that's fantastic because the large sizes do well. This is a black, long cardigan with pockets. I wonder if my mom would want that. I love that. Okay, really nice. So I'll let you know if I see flaws, but I will tell you this. I've been shopping on Jomar for over a year now. When you get a pre-owned box, you're gonna find flaws in there. You know, it's like it just is what it is, but I still buy them. If you're worried about stuff like that, stick with something like a New Tags box that you feel more confident with. These are some pull-on pants by J. Jill, the Ponte knit, slim leg, small tall. I love that. I've sold these pants a million times before, you guys. They're like a Ponte knit, which is a thicker elastic knit. These look new. Like they just look so good. And I love having tall. I love having petite. I like having any unusual size. And I can probably get like 20 bucks for these plus shipping. That's just the way it is. And ooh, this one might stay with me. This is Pure Jill, so I'm just going to show you that tag too. And of course, the specialty lines within the brand, like Pure Jill, are going to do better. They use better fabrics. They're more like specialty within the brand. This is so lag and look. This is a size extra small, but this looks big. Super boxy linen top. I'll use the keyword lag and look. Mama, I'm putting that in a separate pile because I'm probably going to try that on. I'm a Northern California girl. I love my linen. Another J. Jill size medium. This is like a taupe color, a great neutral open front cardigan. Now, honestly, oh, it's silk and cotton, so that's good. I'll definitely put that in my title. Any special fabric or anything like that, I'll put in my title on eBay and Posh. I also sell to Thredup. If you're curious about that, I have 2 videos on the channel. One is a very basic, like how to print a label and ship off your first box. And then I have one a couple months after that, kind of reporting back what I've learned, like the good, the bad, and the ugly, all about Thredup. I'm loving it though. I really am so far. Sometimes, like, I like to send to Thredup my smaller sizes. Like J.Jill Chico's size small and extra small will sit forever for me often. So I might send it to Thredup and just get $3 to $5 or something. This is a Chico's in size 1, and this is a silk blend sweater, kind of cute with a palm print. So Chico's does vanity sizing, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes up like that. This is their old tag too. What this has going for it is that it's got some silk in it and it's kind of cute. That if I'm out like thrifting, I don't pick up much Chico's in a small size or that older tag unless it's special. Ooh, this is new with tag. Oh my God, I love this. Pure gel. So let's see, an extra small petite. Let's see what it retailed for. $99. It does have a sale tag on it for $39.97, which I will use my little tool. I forget what it's called. I have it linked in the description. Scotty peeler. So you can just peel those tags right off. This is awesome though. I might put this in my pile too. Super oversized, boxy top with pockets, super stretchy and soft. Oh, I love that. New with tags. Thank you, Jomar. I mean, you might be sitting there like,
oh, it's just Chico's or whatever.
I'll pop up on the screen some of my sales. I've sold a couple kimonos that I got in this last box, when I got this box before, for $35 and $39. I mean, that's a good sale for me. This is cute. This is Chico's size 1, so 1 is a medium. And it is a button-down shirt, but it's a great olive green. It has a knotted front, and then look at the sleeves are all lace. And it's lace on the back there. That's really cute. I don't know, I love this stuff, but I'm 45. Like, I'm a mature woman myself now, so this is like what I'm moving into. And I love it. Ooh, this is great. 2X. J.Jill Love Linen. I love this brand. Doesn't look 2X, does it? See, this looks the same size as that J.Jill extra small top. So, just an all linen t-shirt. Is that a pocket? No. Super cute. I mean, this is why the whole debate about do you put measurements in your listing as a reseller or not? I've heard great arguments on both sides. Some people are like, no, it takes way too much time. They never read it anyway. So I don't do it. And then if somebody asks me, I'll pull the item out. That's one side. The other side is I always put measurements because it helps prevent returns. It helps people buy more confidently. I've been on the measurement side because I'm a curvy size, small to XL, depending. Oh, I got an Eileen Fisher piece. Yes, I didn't get one in the last box, and God, it sells well at Thredup. So which are you, like team measurements or not measurements? I also have a video about Poshmark cases that you might want to check out because it has a lot to do with measurements on Poshmark with cases. This is a size XL. It's just a tank top, but it's Eileen Fisher, an ivory white open knit Eileen Fisher top. I might send that to Thredup because on Thredup I get just as much money for it as selling it myself, but I don't do anything. I don't do any of the work. J.Jill size medium petite. This looks like it has a spot on it, so look at that. A pretty obvious spot too. That happens. I'll spray some Shout on it. Let it sit for like 24 hours and wash it. I get most things out that way. This is Chico. So this is the newer tag. See how it's kind of like beige and the lettering's just a little different. It's white. It's a size 2, so that's a large. And this is sort of a boxy blue top, printed. It's mesh. And this is what's called a dolman. So if when you're measuring across the chest, it's super wide, that's dolman. And then often it has skinnier sleeves. So, ooh, I got another Eileen Fisher piece. This one has some issues though, I think. Or no, maybe it's just the fabric. All right, let's check this out together. Eileen Fisher size extra, extra small. Geez, but this is silk, but it's that raw kind of silk. And I was thinking it had some issues because when I hold it up, I see some spots. Do you guys see that? But I don't know if what I'm seeing, I think what I'm seeing is the raised part of the raw silk. This is gorgeous. This is so Eileen Fisher. I got more Eileen Fisher now. It makes me want to run right over there and buy this box again because Eileen Fisher, some of my Thredup sales, I'm getting like $40, $50, $60 for Eileen Fisher on Thredup. Petite, small, black. So I don't know if this is a dress or a tunic top. Probably a tunic top. Black, stretchy, button front tunic top. So how did this end up in here? This is a no boundaries, size small, 3 to 5 tank top. What the heck is it? No idea. This must have been a mistake. This teeny little girls or juniors tank top. Chico's Platinum, size 2, a denim jacket vest. Okay. Listen, you can get more money for a jacket or a vest. This is denim, sleeveless denim vest. Okay, okay. I'm loving this box. This is cool. Chico size 2, mock neck, silver, nubby kind of sweater. Cute, cute. How we doing, people? What are you thinking of the box? Wow, this feels absolutely amazing. Look at this color. What would you call this? Wow. That's gorgeous. Mock neck. Let's see. Is it Chico's? Is it Eileen? Chico size 1. What is this color? Is it like... It's purple, but it's not just purple. Purple, but not just purple. Yeah, I'm so glad you watch these videos so I can educate you about keywords on reselling. I don't know. I just think that's amazing for some reason. It's the color and the shape. I'm going to try that on. Chico size 3, so that's an XL. This is cute. It's like a neon yellowy top with lace insets and like some embroidery stuff. That's cute. All right, we're getting to the end here, people. This has been an awesome box for me. What do you guys think? I'll just sell this stuff.
I'm full of pithy quotes straight.
This is J. Jill. It's old, though. Look at this old J. Jill tag. You guys, this is vintage J. Jill. I mean, I haven't seen this tag in a million years. Sorry, it won't focus. I guess it's kind of white on white. There you go. That's an old tag, but it's wool. It's a wool long maxi dress. Now, listen. If this is not damaged, it's down to my ankles. Oh, an entirely wool dress. I mean, that's amazing. But you know what? With wool... I would be shocked if there's not a little hole or something. I do this thing where I hold it up to my lights. Wow, I don't see anything. We'll see. And just for full transparency, sometimes I don't notice flaws until I get under the lights, and I just know with pre-owned boxes I'm gonna get some. Some I can get out, some I have to renonate, but overall, this is an inexpensive box too, I think. 100% wool dress. Somebody on the East Coast in Boston or New York is gonna buy that. That's awesome. All right. Ending with some Chico size 0 black shorts. Kind of cute. So there you go. This is just like good bread and butter with some Eileen Fisher pieces in there too. I'm really happy with the box. What do you guys think? See you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Gets worse and worse, doesn't it? Bye. See you later, guys. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good video there, Quemby. I'm probably like breathless. I'm probably the only person who gets excited over these kind of brands. I don't see anyone else being like, yes, I found a Chico's piece. There I go, on and on. I wonder if I'll see you guys before the holidays or when this will go up. Will it be post-Christmas? Or will it be Christmas or whatever? Probably after. I am moving real slow with videos. I had the best time at our Friday Live. Did you guys? I figure it's just my true friends that come to the live every week that are going to be watching all the way to the bloopers, so we can just have a little chat now. Come on, Quemby. Look at this. Let me see if I can put the camera down so you can see, like, post-haul living room. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is Which one of these is this? I think this is the Chico's. What is that? I think it is. Okay. Okay. When I first started reselling, hold on, water. I gotta drink more water. I was at Zumba today and I feel dehydrated. The light's weird. The light's very weird today. When I first started reselling, I'd get, I don't know why I always put these things in my try-on pile, and I just wear the same things. Like, I don't do a lot of color. Do you guys? I love when other people do it. That wasn't even salsa. I don't know what that was.